Hi guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. This is the last day that we are going to get to see our RWB Porsche build before Nakai-san turns up and finishes it off. So this is it. We're heading off to Dubai for a short break, but this is our last chance to see it before it becomes a full-fledged RWB. So this will be the last time we see the car before it becomes an RWB. So it is Miami blue. It's a white undercoat, blue on top, Miami blue on top. It is sat on a set of tele dials at the moment because we sold our Fuchs wheels, and these are some loaners that we've got from somebody until it's all done. We'll take a little bit of a tour around the car because there are some nice features on it. We went with a decal on the front instead of an actual badge. I really like the decal. I think that has come up really, really well. I think the Miami blue is going to pop brilliantly. We've got these wing mirrors from Churn, so they're an RWB wing mirror. It's strange because looking at the car through the camera and then looking at the car itself, it's a lot more blue, it looks like, on the camera, where it's a bit more aqua in real life. It's strange to look at it through both angles. There's definitely a different color there, but those wing mirrors look brilliant. Here's the engine bay. So the engine hasn't been pulled for us to paint around it, but we have painted inside black and tidied it up a little bit down there that we're gonna do with a paintbrush. But there we go, that is the engine bay. We've now fitted the 911 light bar on the rear there. I've not seen that light up, so that will look great. Of course, it's got the big Monty exhaust. The rear lights have been reconditioned, let's say. They've been opened up on the inside. They've all been painted white on the inside as well, so they'll light up really nicely. That looks brilliant there. All the rubbers, the window is back in. Got the hoop painted black, and then the Targa is in a gloss. Looking great there. We've got a new shifter. Let's see if I can open the door. Trying not to nudge it on anything. That's a CAE shifter. Look at that thing there. That is amazing. We went with the gold on the top, and that'll become more relevant when we show you the wheels that we've got. We've got a new steering wheel that needs to go on the car as well. I think the seats will actually tie in reasonably well with the colour of the car now. Still got some rubbers to put on the top, and then those rubbers need a bit of looking after as well, but they'll be all black and shiny and new by the time the car gets put back together. These are the door cards. Now in Australia we do have a bit of a problem where it's illegal to run without door cards, so I think we're going to have to get these parts kind of filled in a little bit. These do need to have a seat to fit into because they don't fit onto the metal of the door card, so we need to do that. Got some new speakers, a bit of a door card down here. Got a new headset there as well. The shifter and everything looks amazing. Just coming together really well. I think we might have a slight problem. Oh no, that door actually shut pretty well because they are new rubbers on it. But it is coming together very, very well. We are only, when we're filming this, we're about a month away from it, the RW build actually taking place. I might actually try and get a photo of the lens here and then the colour of the car because it is so different on picking it up on the camera. But there it is. We're going to have a Miami blue RWB based on a Porsche 911 SC Targa. There are some extra special features we've got coming with this car. I think we're going to, the kit's upstairs, so we're going to take a look at that up there. But that is it. She is coming together. Just while we're here, it's actually worth looking inside. We haven't done anything with the fuel tank. We've kind of left that the same. The guys have painted black on the inside. We've had a pile of electrics cleaned up. We've had spools and lines of wiring pulled out. Gone with a Renline smuggler box cover. The tops have been cut so we can adjust them a little bit easier for the suspension, but that looks a whole lot tidier than it used to look because it was all white. There was electrics all over the place and it was particularly untidy, but I think that looks pretty good now. We spent a little bit of extra money here, so we've got carbon fibre struts and then all the paint down there as well. There they are over there. I think it's just those little extra bits that make a little bit of difference, but very, very happy. So this is where most of the kit is at the moment before it goes on the car. There's all the front bar, bender, rear bar, side skirts. Got the ducktail there. Let's see if we can spin that round. And there is the custom grille for the ducktail. More parts. These are the fender wings. That is part of the wing for the uprights. And that there sat in a matte semi-gloss black is the wing. I think we might be able to do a bit of a size comparison. There we go. But that is going to be our champion wing. There we go, guys. That is the last time we're going to see our Porsche Targa before it becomes a complete RWB. We're off to Dubai very soon, and we're going to leave this here, and then next time we see it, it's going to have a massive wing on the back. So stay tuned. Please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you later.